Joe Beermaster here. Today I'm going to show you what an airbag looks in a seat. We took this out of a Chevy Equinox SUV. This seat, an airbag deployed, and it has already been replaced. But before we put it all back together, I wanted to show you what it was all about. So underneath the seat cushion, I had fabric and foam, just like here. We peeled it off. It comes off. And when the airbag deploys, it rips a hole in the fabric and the bag deploys very quickly. So we ordered a new seat fabric backing and replaced the airbag here. You can see that. And it's really simple. It gets a signal from the impact sensor, which goes to the computer, which tells the airbag to deploy. So there's different sensors on the car, and usually if your seat airbag deploys, the other airbags deploy too. And in this case, the seatbelt pretensioner is deployed. And the seatbelt, I'm going to show you this over here. It actually has a wire to it. You can see that. And this will tighten up and lock. And the seatbelt itself will also deploy and pull it real tight so you don't get thrown out of the car. So it really tightens the seatbelt around you. And this side bag will deploy if it's a side hit. Generally. So that's it. It'll come out of here. And it's very powerful. That's basically what the airbag in a seat looks like. And if that goes off, you got some problems. Hopefully it'll never happen to you. And also other airbags will go off. You'll have to replace the sensors, most likely. The computer module has to be replaced or reset. But each car has a different system. So you would have to refer to the manufacturer's instructions. But that's it. It's pretty simple. And it's in there, ready to deploy. Hopefully it never will. Joe Beermaster.